Hey Error Genie family! If your Path of Exile 2 game keeps freezing on the loading screen, crashes your PC, or restarts during gameplay, don't worry. Follow these easy step-by-step troubleshooting instructions to get back to gaming smoothly. Step 1. Adjust DirectX or renderer settings, open File Explorer, and navigate to Documents, then My Games, then Path of Exile. 2. Locate the config file and right-click to open with Notepad. Look for renderer type equals DirectX 12. Change DirectX 12 to DirectX 11 or welcon. Save the file, Ctrl S, and restart the game. Step 2. Disable multithreading. In the same config file, locate engine __core multithreading. Change the value from enabled to disabled, save the file, and relaunch the game. Step 3. Delete the config file. Go to Documents, then My Games, then Path of Exile 2. Right-click the config file and delete it. Relaunch the game. Note, settings will reset. Step 4. Verify game files. Open Steam, right-click the game, and select Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to complete, then restart the game. Step 5. Adjust power settings, type Control Panel in the Windows search bar and open it. Navigate to Hardware and Sound, then Power Options. Select Power Saver or experiment with high performance settings. Apply and relaunch the game. Step 6. Run as administrator. Open Steam, right-click the game, and choose Manage, then browse local files. Locate the game's .x file, right-click, and select Properties. Under the Compatibility tab, check Run this program as administrator. Optionally, try compatibility modes, Windows 7 or 8. Apply changes and launch the game. Step 7. Allow game and antivirus/firewall. Open your antivirus software or Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, then manage ransomware protection. Add the game's .x file as an allowed app. In Windows Firewall, allow the game through both private and public networks. Step 8. Update or rollback graphics drivers. Visit the official website for your GPU, NVIDIA or AMD. Download and install the latest drivers. During installation, select Clean Installation. If issues persist, roll back to an earlier stable driver. Step 9. Optimize graphics settings. Launch the game and go to Options, then Graphics. Adjust these settings. Switch between DirectX 12, DirectX 11, or welcon. Disable multithreading. Lower graphics settings, e.g., reduce resolution, disable HDR, and lower shadows. Step 10. Update Windows. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, then Windows Update. Check for updates and restart your PC after installation. Step 11. Increase virtual memory. Open Advanced System Settings. Search View Advanced System Settings. Under the Advanced tab, click Settings, then Advanced, then Change. Adjust the paging file size, initial size, 1.5 times total RAM in megabytes. Maximum size, 3 times total RAM in megabytes. Apply, restart your PC, and try the game again. Step 12. Perform a clean reinstallation. Uninstall the game via Steam. Delete any leftover game files from the installation folder. Reinstall the game on a different drive, preferably C:. These solutions should resolve your Path of Exile 2 freezing issues. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides.